Ang birthday niya sa 2018. Kasi sila ang baby niya.
Happy birthday po.
Salamat.
Ito.
Yung nakita nila nanay, nanay nila si Daisy. Ipuntahan natin kasi birthday niya yan, di ba? Birthday niya ngayon, sila dalhan namin siya ng regalo. Para may instant pagkain kinain. We're going to the Balite because last time, if you remember when they went for meeting after the typhoon, right? They met senior citizens inside her house during when they're distributing lugaw and sopas na. JC is so soon when they got home, JC was so affected, with telling me, you know, mommy, there is Lola there. She's alone in their house, and you know, mommy, she's eating with rice and only salt for ulam. So, and then she remembered that the Lola told her told them that yung birthday niya is on November 28. So she cannot forget that birthday. Kaya sabi niya, bibisita. Sabi namin, then we decided that we will visit the lady. At least we can bring her something, small thing. Si engineer, he sponsored cake para naman din daw dun, but he was not with us. So we'll see you guys in Lola's house.
For those that are listening from Canada, Lola's not a name. Lola means grandmother here. That's why you hear Lola a lot, because that's what we say for grandmother.
For grandmother, yeah.
Lola and Lolo.
Lolo for grandmother. We'll see there. Ilang taon ka na po? 85. Ikaunan mo yan. Antay niyo sila na.
Ang dami ng Mario.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hello ka po, wish ka muna na.
Nanguti ko pa ang buhay ito. Sana umaba pa. Pagpabayan mo pa ng halay Diyos.
Happy birthday! Opo.
Idala kami sa imo na ng grocery na. Ang regalo mo yan sa imo tapos. Bagas. Hindi po si...
Salamat. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Welcome po. Masaya ka na.
Ngayon lang. Salamat.
Kakaiba, nagtataka sa ito yung anak ko namin. Nakita ka daw niya nung pumunta.
Sabi ko, di ba, nalugaw na asin kain nila. Saka yung noodle.
Opo.
Nila. Anak niyo.
Tang-
Ilan anak niyo?
Ito pinsan namin, pamangkin ko, kapatid ko po. Ito pamangkin ko din itong mga kulit na to.
Ano pa lang ibibigay ko sa inyo?
Wala po, kain ka na. Gusto ka lang namin bisitahin kasi gusto kong bisitahin nila o itong mga siguro sila naisip kanila. No? Ang birthday niya kasi na is October 28, kaya natandaan niya ng birthday. Ngayon, ayun, pampahaba pa ng buhay. Spaghetti.
November 29.
Na kami po.
Thank you, sir.
Happy birthday po ulit.
Thank you.
Birthday po.
Happy birthday po, Nay.
Happy birthday po
Salamat sa
ulit.
pag-ganda nito ha. Salamat.
Enjoy po.
Ito may tinapay kayo dito na. Tapos meron yung dyan ang palaman.
Kahit pa paano may
Pwede nyo naman
napasaya
saluhan ng mga. Hindi namin alam kung sinong kasama mo eh. Kaya
kami lang dalawa rito. Kami lang kaya mga anak ko dyan. Ako po.
sige po tayo. Salamat.
Thank you po.
So
Success.
this is Balete. It's a district right next to us, Bonga. We were just here a few weeks ago, or a week ago, giving out free food for the typhoon victims. Some of my friends that live here, they have a beautiful beach, Johnny's Beach. He's a Canadian from Niagara Falls. Him and his wife come back. I think they're coming back this Christmas. If you want a nice resort to stay at, it's a beautiful spot. We got a nice tree house and everything. People that, some of you may have seen the video of the house we built in San Miguel for our family. One of the workers lives just over there as well. So this is proof that makes me feel better that the future Canapino is going to continue doing stuff like this because it was a kid's idea to remind us that the birthday was today. So we're able to come and help her out. And give a little food, give her a little joy. So that's what Canapino is about. Again, we're not doing this for self-recognition. We're just promoting and also showing people how to take care of the community. And also thank you to the sponsors who've started giving us money for the victims of the typhoon. That money will go well to feeding a lot of people. So thank you very much. If you still want to contribute, you can go to my GoFundMe page or PayPal and help us. There's so many homes, thousands of homes that have to be built. So keep it up. Thank you.
We Canapino, be one of us.